Today's project is to help this guy wrap his motorcycle, which he can't do himself. Yep, of course not, because he's using Vivvid vinyl and never done it before. So here we go, time to be the good Samaritan. So there we have the first part of the tank complete. Looks really good. All around the aperture is nice of the gas tank. As you can see, considering it's Vivid vinyl, that looks pretty good. Could have been a lot worse. There we go. Looking good. You know, the panels go on, it'll be nice. First part done of the Yamaha R6 fairing in white, Avery white. As you can see, looks a lot better than what you had, my friend. There we go. Right, neat. On to the next piece.